Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, we will get to know that how can we use Google Wallet in our mobile phone in 2024. So this is the latest video about how can we use Google Wallet in our mobile phone. So let's start this video. Firstly guys, I want to say that this is my iPhone, so I cannot use Google Wallet in my iPhone right now because this is not available on App Store. You can definitely run it in a Google phone. If it is a Google phone, it will work even better, and if it is an Android phone, so 50-50 chances that maybe you get this app on Android or not. After that, how do you set up Google Wallet application if you have it in your phone? So I'm just gonna tell you the steps by which you can simply set up your Google Wallet account on your mobile phone. Firstly, you just have to download it from Google Play and then search for the Google Wallet on your application manager. Go to the Google account and sign in with your Gmail ID. After that, you will get an option called add a card. In there, you just have to add your credit card, add your debit card, or you can pay seamlessly with your wallet and with your card. So the next step is to go on add to wallet. You can add your cards, you can add your documents, you can add your bank accounts in this Google Wallet, and just simply unlock the phone and use Google Wallet as a contactless payment terminal. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video.